Stay Gurubhyo Namaga children. Today we are going to learn the continuation of exercise 14b. Self practice 14b. Sixth question. Find the area of a square whose perimeter is 84 centimeter. Here, what is given children? Perimeter is given. We need to find out area of a square. Okay. So, what is given in the question? Perimeter. Perimeter of a square equal to 84 centimeter. Okay. So, what is the formula children? Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. What is the formula? 4 into side. First, we need to find out the side of a square. Next, we need to find out area of a square. Because area of a square equal to side into side. So, we want to know the value of the side. Okay. So, perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. So, instead of the perimeter, you should write the formula. 4 into side equal to 84. So, we are going to find side. So, side equal to 84 divided by 4 because multiplications will change other side division. Now, you divide this 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. So, side equal to 21 centimeter. Okay. Next, we are going to find the area. So, area of a square equal to what is the formula children? Side into side square unit. Here, the side is 21 centimeter. 21 into 21. So, what is the answer children? 21 into 21 you will get 441 centimeter square. So, therefore, area of a square equal to 441 centimeter square. Do you understand children? Perimeter is given. So, using the perimeter, first we found this side, then that side value we substitute in the area. Area of a square equal to side into side square unit. Here side value 21, 21 into 21, we get 441. So, area of a square equal to 441 centimeter square. Do you understand children? See the next question. The perimeter of a square field is 6 kilometer. Find its area in hectares. Okay. So, perimeter of a square field is 6 kilometer. Okay. So, what is given in the question? Perimeter is given. Perimeter equal to 6 kilometer. Okay, first you convert into meter because we are going to give the answer in hectares. Okay, so first you convert into meter. You know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 6 kilometer equal to 6 into 1000, 6000 meter. Okay, so here perimeter equal to 6000 meter. Okay, so what is the perimeter of a square? 4 into side. So 4 into side equal to 6000 meter. So side equal to 6000 divided by 4, because multiplications will change other side, division. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, remaining to 20, 5 fours are 20, 0, 0. So side equal to 1500 meter. So next we are going to find area. Okay, next area of a square equal to side into side square unit. Here side is 1500 into 1500. So here 20, 20, totally 4 zeros are there to write it. 15 into 15, 15 15s are 225. Here unit is meter, so meter square. Now we should give the answer in hectares. First you convert this. So 10,000 meter square equal to 1 hectare. So here 2 lakh, sorry, here 22 lakh 50,000 meter square equal to 22 lakh 50,000 divided by 10,000. Once again. So we are going to divide by 10,000. See here 10 10 10 10 10 10, this 0 0. So what is the remaining? 225 hectares. Short form is HA. Okay, so therefore area of a square equal to 225 hectare. Do you understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? The next question. Mr. Saxena bought a flat of land 80 meter by 40 meter at rupees 50,000 per meter square. Per meter square cost is 50,000. Okay. How much did the flat cost him? So we are going to find cost of the land. Okay. So here 80 meter by 40 meter. See the dimensions. These are differ. So what shape? Rectangle shape. The flat in the shape of rectangle. So here length is 80 meter, breadth is 40 meter. Okay. Solution. So first we need to find out the area of the land. Okay. So area of a flat equal to flat in the shape of rectangle. So what is the formula? Length into breadth square unit. Here length equal to 80 meter, breadth equal to 40 meter. Now you multiply this, 2 zeros are there, write it, 8 fours are 32. So 3200 meter square. Now here cost per meter square. Cost per meter square equal to 50,000. So we need to find out cost of a flat for 3200 meter square equal to rupees 50,000 into 3200. Now you multiply this. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. So 1, first you write the 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you multiply with the 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 remaining 1. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. Okay. Now 60 crore. So cost of a flat for 3200 meter square equal to rupees 16 crore. You can write like this, 16 crores. You understand, children? To the next question. How many tiles? We are going to find number of tiles. Each 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter are required for the floor of your room, 12 meter long and 9 meter wide. Okay, here one room is there. So in the floor, we are going to put the tiles. So the length and breadth of the tiles is given and length and breadth of the floor is given. So we need to find out number of tiles. Okay, so first one is tiles, the second one is floor. Okay, here the length of the tiles equal to 25 centimeter, breadth equal to 20 centimeter. Here floor length equal to 12 meter, breadth equal to 9 meter. See here, the centimeter is there, here meter is given. So unit are different. First you have to convert the unit as same. Okay, so meter you should convert into centimeter. That is easy. Okay, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 12 meter equal to 12 into 100, what you will get? 1200 centimeter. Here 9 meter, 9 into 100, what you will get? 900 centimeter. Now both we have the same unit. Now you find out the number of tiles. Okay, so number of tiles equal to number of tiles equal to area of your floor divided by area of your tiles. So area of your floor in the shape of rectangle. So L into B. So 1200 into 900 divided by area of your tiles 25 into 20. Now you divide this, 10 10 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, So 60. Now 5 5s are 25, 1 5s are 5, remaining 1 10, 2 5s are 10, 0. Next 5 1s are 5, here 2 5s are 10, 4 5s are 20. Now you multiply this, here 90, 24. So 0 you write it, 9 4s are 36, 6 remaining 3, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. So what is the answer, children? How many tiles we require? So number of tiles equal to 2160. You understand, children? So here, first you find out the area of your floor divided by area of your tiles. Okay, this is the way of finding the number of tiles. Okay, so 1200 into 900 divided by 25 into 20. If you simplify this, what you are getting? 2160. Okay, the required tiles is 2160. This is very important sums to practice. Very, very important sums. See the next question. So, a living room floors question number 10. A living room floor measures 6 meter by 9 meter. A 4 meter by 7 meter rug is placed. Okay. Sorry. Rug is placed on the floor. Okay. So how many square meters of the floor are not covered by the rug? Okay. Here, so we need to find out the area of the floor as well as area of the rug. After that, not covered they asked. So we need to subtract. Okay. Okay. First, so the length of your floor. First floor length is given. So length equal to 6 meter, breadth equal to 9 meter. We need to find out area. So area of your floor equal to length into breadth square units because it is in the shape of rectangle. How did you find this? This is rectangle because see the dimension are differ. Okay, so 6 into 9. 6 nines are 54 meter. Okay, next we are going to find area of your rug. Okay, so here a rug length equal to 4 meter, breadth equal to 7 meter. So area of your rug equal to length into breadth. So 4 sevens are 28 meter. Now what we are going to do? So we are going to find area of the floor are not covered by the rug. Area of the floor not covered by the rug equal to, so area of a floor area of the floor minus area of a rug. So area of the floor, what children? 54. For area we will use meter square. Okay, sorry, meter square we want to use. square unit only. So that 54 meter square, 28 meter square. So 54 minus 28. What you will get, children? 14 minus 8, 6. 4 minus 2, 2. So 26 meter square. So 26 meter square of the area of the floor are not covered by the rug. What you will write final answer? How many square meter is not covered? 26 square meter. So what is the answer? 26 meter square area of the floor. Area of the floor are not covered by the rug. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.